Hi, it's Ama Opari and welcome to my Tanzanian kitchen. And today I'm making a Chinese noodle stir fry. It's quick and easy to make. You can use whatever vegetables you have in the refrigerator and it'll be delicious. So let's get to work. I'm here outside in my Tanzanian yard and you can hear the chickens from the neighbor. So I have a collection of vegetables here, which I am chopping up. I have some zucchini and some carrots, mushrooms, some snow peas, some spring onion, some mung bean sprouts, which I sprouted myself, oyster mushrooms, as well as the white oyster mushrooms. Next, I'll be chopping broccoli and some Chinese cabbage. I'll also be adding some tofu. And I have a little bit of cilantro here, which I think I will use as well as a little extra flavoring. I've also mixed up ahead of time some soy sauce, a little bit of sugar or coconut sugar or coconut nectar, some kind of sweetener. And I also have some cornstarch, which I will add a little bit of water to. And then stir, and this will help make the sauce nice and thick. It will thicken up this, after we have it all cooked. This will be one of the last things we add in to thicken up that sauce and coat all the vegetables nicely. And what I have is these Ching Secret Veg Hakka noodles, I guess. I don't know whether they have these around you. This is what we have here in Tanzania. So just make sure they are vegan noodles. You could use soba noodles or udon noodles or even just plain old spaghettis if you have to. You could use rice noodles, some kind of noodle. And I'll be cooking those separately and tossing those in along with the sauce at the very end. So on to the cooking. Oh, and I'll be cooking oil-free. So I have a nice wok here, but you could use any kind of skillet. And I'll just be using a little bit of water to stir fry and not any oil. The only oil I've used is a tiny bit of oil of sesame oil, toasted sesame oil, here in this teriyaki kind of sauce. Here you go, here's your dinner. Well, there you have it. A quick and easy and oh so delicious oil-free vegan Chinese stir fry. Use any vegetables you like, make it spicy as you like, and enjoy. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now. This is Ama Opari from Food for the Soul.